In the ongoing Covishield Vaccination program being conducted by the government of Meghalaya in the state, a health official today said the state health authorities were able to give the Covishield vaccination to 479 citizens of the state. Speaking to the media, the COVID-19 State Surveillance Officer Dr. S.S. Nongbri said the health department intended to administer the vaccine to 659 people across the state, and at the end of the day, 479 were vaccinated today. He termed the vaccination program as good.
Meghalaya, North Garo Hills, 48, they have got 38. Ribhoi, it has gone down, but it's better than before. They target 100, they got 41. So South Garo Hills, there is no session. Southwest Garo Hills also no. Southwest Khasi Hills, they target 50, they got 24. So it's almost like 50%. West Garo Hills, they target 100, they got 88. This is very good. West Jaintia Hills, they target 54, they have got 42. And West Khasi Hills, there's no session today. So total is 659 target, and the achievement is 479. So this is the target of the day, and the target, the whole cumulative right from the day we launched, target was 4135 till today. The achievement is 2874. So it was almost crossing 60%, almost 60. So it's from this inputs and reports which we got from the different districts, it shows that our health workers start coming forward to give this vaccine. It's not like in the launching day when we give the first session. It was low, but slowly it has picked up the vaccination drive. And I hope all the staff will come forward. As we have seen, we have got this, what we call is AEFI. This we have got only 5 today. Total is only 5. And not from this, has reported only from the Ribhoi district. This report 5 is minor, just a minor reactions. It's nothing like a major thing. So based on that input, we feel that the vaccine is very safe. And I just like to give and share my views to all the public and the health workers to come forward and give this vaccine. This will protect you. This is a very, very, very important thing. You might say this COVID is not there. If COVID is not there, then the government of Meghalaya will have to just declare pandemic is free, but it has not been declared. So we cannot just say that, oh, this is COVID is not there. Whether it's there or not, we don't know. We are working for it. When it was there in the month of March, it has hit. The first victim of our state is a doctor. You just imagine. The first victim is a doctor. So that's why government of India is targeting us to give this vaccine, because we are the frontline runners. We are the frontline runners who tackle these COVID patients. So come forward and give this vaccine. I hope nothing wrong will be happening to any one of my staff in the whole state. By the way, by cooperating with the department, since you are in the part of the department, you will itself send a message to all the public that this vaccine is free. So this is my special request to all my staff. Come forward and then be sure, be brave and be wise.